Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have new product announcements from Lionel trains and MTH electric trains. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Lionel Trains has announced the production of a series of special Disney 2014 D23 items available exclusively through LionelStore.com. The items include a special D23 O and O switcher for $250, Mickey, Tinkerbell, Toy Story, and Lilo and Stitch boxcars for $100 each, and a Mickey and Friends N5C porthole caboose for $100. All items will be produced in extremely limited quantities. Visit LionelStore.com for more details. For those in the New York area, Lionel Trains will be producing a series of exclusive items for Comic-Con New York from October 17th through 24th. The items include a special Batman 85th Anniversary boxcar for $85, a commemorative Comic-Con O and O switcher for $250, a Lenny the Lion Superhero boxcar for $75, a Lenny King of the City boxcar for $75. Production of the O and O is limited to 50 examples, and the Lenny the Lion boxcars will be limited to 100 examples each. See the link in the video description or visit the Lionel booth at Comic-Con NYC for more details. Lionel Trains has also announced the production of an exclusive limited edition train set for CSX. The set includes a modern GE diesel locomotive, boxcar, tank car, and auto carrier, all decorated in CSX's current color scheme. The set is exclusively available from the CSX company store for $395. Follow the link in the video description for more details. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2025 Real King O-Gauge crane cars this winter. Each of these offerings will be available in limited quantities and in unique car numbers. The suggested retail price for the cranes is $84.95 each. Complementing crane tender cars are also available with a suggested retail price of $74.95 each, and all are expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in January 2025. Road names include Southern, American Steel, U.S. Army, Great Northern, Erie-Lackawanna, and Westinghouse. MTH Electric Trains will be producing an exclusive Husky stacked container car decorated for the Monon for Mr. Muffin's Trains, featuring containers decorated for the retailer. The cars are expected to arrive in February 2025 with an early order price of $99.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale flat car with 2 pup trailers in RF&P colors for Tiny Tim's Trains and Toys. The cars will be offered in 2 car numbers, both in extremely limited quantities beginning in January 2025. The early order price is $95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier Line O-Scale SD50 diesel locomotive in Lehigh Gorge colors for exclusive distribution by Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The locomotives will be available in 2 unique cab numbers and are slated to arrive in December 2024. The early order price is $539.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Real King O-Scale lighted billboard featuring a Seagrave fire truck advertisement for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The billboards will be released in extremely limited quantities beginning in December 2024. The fully assembled lighted billboard is pre-mounted on a base for easy placement anywhere on the layout. For those looking for a more prototypical look, the base can be quickly removed and the billboard legs can be easily inserted into soft styrofoam ground cover for a more realistic appearance. The early order price is $35.95. MTH Electric Trains will be producing an exclusive P-47 Class 462 Pacific steamer in Rock Island colors and a matching 7-car 60-foot passenger set for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The cars will include baggage car number 4120, coaches Moline, Bettendorf, and Davenport, Diner, Cedar Rapids, Combine, Colfax, and Observation, Iowa City. All items are expected to arrive in October 2024. The early order prices are $499.95 for the locomotive and $589.95 for the 7-car passenger set. MTH Electric Trains has also announced an exclusive and uncataloged Rail King O-Gauge Imperial P47 Pacific steam engine in a unique Ronald Reagan colors for Train World. The locomotives will be available in 2 unique cab numbers, 1981 and 1985, in extremely limited quantities beginning in January 2025. The early order price is $549.99. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And watch our long-form Toy Train Tips and Tricks videos released every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. And join us next Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time for another edition of What's New in O-Gauge. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.